Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're back for a hands-on audio hardware unboxing slash review of the Antlion Audio ModMic 2. And what is the ModMic? It is a modular microphone, this lovely little number here, that you can slot onto any headset you want and upgrade its sound quality instantaneously with the power of a very easy to use plug and play microphone. And if you don't always need it, you can just pop it off of its little mounting bracket here. It's a little magnet, and then you can set it off to the side when you don't need to use it, and then just magnet it back together when you're ready. And then you can go onto a conference call, record gameplay, or hang out with your friends online. Whatever you want to use stellar audio for, you've got it with the ModMic. So the nice thing about the ModMic, like I was saying, is you can upgrade pretty much any headset you want into a better quality headset. Like, let's say I don't like the one that I'm currently using. I can just pluck the existing microphone off of it, and then I can peel on the bottom here. There is a sticky tab on this magnet. I can peel that bad boy off. I can take my headset, or whatever I want to be wearing. It doesn't necessarily have to be a headset, but that kind of makes the most sense. And then I can arrange it so that it's comfortable on the side here, making sure it's nice and tight. I recommend doing this with the whole microphone attached to the magnet. That way you can really get it exactly where you want it. And then when you're done, you can just pop it off and boom. It's very modular, hence the name ModMic, and we're going to check out the sound quality here today and do a little bit of an unboxing to show you what it looks like inside the packaging. All right, so let's take a look at the unboxing for the ModMic USB 2. This is a microphone that comes with the microphone itself, a couple of extra magnets so you can pop this onto whatever headset or headsets that you want, and the layout is the upgraded, improved microphone itself, which has very clear audio. It's got that powerful magnet, so it's easy to put on and it stays in place when you're having conversations. It's got an inline digital mute button along with a USB-A plug that comes with a converter to USB-C, so you can plug it into pretty much any computer that you want, and then it's ready to go. You can just select it as your audio device and start using it to have conversations, do studio level recording with it because it's actually really surprisingly good audio, or just hanging out with your friends in video calls or voice calls online. Whatever you want, it can do that. So inside the box, it's really straightforward. There is a little handy carrying case that keeps the microphone protected inside of the box, and if you unzip that, there is your microphone ready to be pulled out of the packaging, plugged in, and you are ready to go. Along with that, there is the easy instructions on how to get everything going and what should be included in the packaging, which is the microphone itself, the USB-A to USB-C converter, along with a little pouch that contains some little clips that allow you to connect your cables together. If you intend to keep this microphone as your primary microphone, you can easily clip the cables together with the cable from your headset, so it kind of stays out of the way and doesn't get all jumbled and tangled. And I actually kind of like that with microphones, especially companies that are keen on cable management from the get-go. And if you decide that you want to take this on the go, like maybe this is your business microphone and you use this for conference calls on your laptop, that's the nice thing about this little carrying case is you can put it away inside this case, then slot that into your laptop case, and you're good to go for travel. And here you can see how easy it is to use the little magnet that comes with the ModMic. It's actually surprisingly powerful. It holds the microphone and the entire cable assembly onto your headset without falling off. But again, like I was saying before, if you're going to attach this to your headset, I recommend leaving the little magnet attached to the microphone so it's easy to make sure that it is aligned the way that you actually want to use it. So here I have recorded a little raw audio sample of what this microphone sounds like without any additional editing or anything else. And one of the first things I can say about this one compared to the original mod mic is it has a more robust sound. A lot of the problem that you run into, especially with more affordable, less studio quality microphones that have to require like a big boom arm or a special setup on your desk, is they either sound really high pitched or really low pitched, and they miss that robust, well-rounded sound. Well, ModMic has fixed this with ModMic number 2. It sounds very natural. So here's what it sounds like. This is a raw audio sample from the ModMic 2, which showcases the new and improved hardware that makes it a lot clearer and well-rounded audio quality, so you can hear all of the natural qualities of someone's voice when you're talking. And it also does a nice job of removing quite a bit of the background noise from the room around you. Whereas, like, I've got some fans running because, you know, it's the summertime and it's really warm in here. Well, the ModMic has actually removed a lot of that. All you hear is me and a little bit of my breathing, but that's about it. And it's got a good kind of robust sound to it. So yeah, the whole idea here is the ModMic packs a lot of power, a lot of quality into a very portable, easy to use package that's light, easy to place onto any headset, and you can place it on multiple headsets because a worst case scenario, you just buy more of these little magnets from Antlion Audio if you want to attach this to multiple headsets or share it with family members. And you can take this on the go. You can just use it at home. And if for whatever reason you want to take it off and get it out of your hair because it's weighing down your headset and your neck is sore, you can just pop it right back off. It's all that's left is that little tiny magnet, and then you can just slot on your headset and go back about your day however you like. And so let's take a look here at what the price point is of the ModMic 2 USB. So the ModMic 2 USB comes with all of the stuff that you saw in this video, along with that studio quality recording for just under $90. It's plug and play ready. It's used by both professionals and gamers, and you get all of these nice things in a very portable package that comes with its very own little carrying case to make it easy to take with you if you want to take it on the go, or even just package it away for whatever reason later. So I would say, you know, it just comes down to the portability and the price. The quality is definitely there. This is right up there with all of the other like desk mount studio recording microphones that I have showcased on this channel, and I'm familiar with Antlion Audio. They are a fantastic company to work with, and if you have any warranty concerns or any issues, they get back to you immediately, and they get you replacement stuff instantaneously as soon as you need it. So with that in mind, I fully recommend the ModMic USB 2. It's powerful, it's easy to use, and yeah, there's not much more to it. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put a link to the ModMic USB 2 page on Antlion Audio's website in the video description below, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.